Hi, in this Did You Know video, we'll show you 10 stunning facts about your body you probably did not know. Do you remember all the scientific stuff that was taught to us back at school? Probably not, but no worries, today's topic will bring you some fascinating facts about your body. If you have any comments while watching this video, share them below and hit the like button to show us you appreciate our work. Even better, subscribe to our channel and don't miss our other interesting topics coming up in the near future. Number 1. Every second your body produces 25 million new cells. Deep within, on a cellular scale, your body is in a constant state of activity to keep you alive. Among these processes is the turnover of cells, replacing the cells that die with fresh new ones so that you don't crumble to bits like a zombie. At this rate, it means that in 15 seconds, you will have produced more cells than there are people in the United States. Also, you lose about 4 kilograms of skin cells every year. Number 2. The average person has 67 different species of bacteria in their belly button. Researchers found that the average belly button among study participants contains 67 different phylotypes of bacteria. And many of those bacteria were quite unexpected, including some normally found only in marine environments or in foreign soils. Makes you think where some people have been, and even more if you should stick your tongue in it. Number 3. Pound for pound, your bones are stronger than steel. Bone typically has an elastic modulus that is like concrete, but it's 10 times stronger in compression. So bone is extraordinarily strong. Ounce for ounce, bone is even stronger than steel, since a bar of steel of comparable size would weigh 4 or 5 times as much. A cubic inch of bone can in principle bear a load of 19,000 pounds of weight. Number 4. Your brain can generate enough electricity to power a small light bulb. Your brain contains about 100 billion microscopic cells called neurons, so many it would take you over 3,000 years to count them all. Whenever you dream, laugh, think, see, or move, it's because tiny chemical and electrical signals are racing between those neurons along billions of tiny neuron highways. Believe it or not, the activity in your brain never stops. Countless messages zip around inside it every second like a supercharged pinball machine. Your neurons create and send more messages than all the phones in the entire world. And while a single neuron generates only a tiny amount of electricity, all your neurons together can generate enough electricity to power a low wattage bulb. Number 5. The liver is capable of fully regenerating its original size, even after removing as much as 75% of the entire organ. The liver is the only visceral organ with the capacity to regenerate. The liver can regenerate after partial surgical removal or chemical injury. As little as 25% of the original liver mass is required for the organ to regenerate back to full size. So people who donate part of their liver to those who are in need don't have to worry about their health. Number 6. Depending on its acidity, if your stomach acid made contact with your skin, it could eat a hole in it. Hydrochloric acid is a strong acid that can cause severe chemical burns if it comes into contact with your skin. Toilet cleaners, pool chemicals, and some fertilizers are common household sources of hydrochloric acid. Your stomach acid is also primarily made up of hydrochloric acid, but a protective mucus protects the inside of your stomach from damage. Luckily, because this type of acid is industrial grade and can in fact destroy metals. Number 7. Babies have over 60 more bones in their body than adults. It may be difficult to imagine when looking at a tiny newborn baby, but the infant has around 300 bones, and those bones are growing and changing shape every day. This is because babies have more cartilage than bone, and as they grow, some of these bones fuse together. By the time they reach adulthood, they only have 206 bones, which make up about 15% of their body weight. Number 8. There is anywhere between 60,000 and 100,000 miles of blood vessels in the human body. This vast system of blood vessels, arteries, veins, and capillaries help blood flow through your body, supplying your tissues with oxygen and nutrients, and keeping your organs, including the heart, healthy. If they were taken out and laid end to end, an adult's blood vessels could circle the Earth's equator 4 times. Number 9. Scientists estimate that the nose can recognize 1 trillion different scents. Humans can distinguish several million different colors and almost 500,000 different tones. Color stimuli vary in wavelength and intensity. Tones vary in frequency and loudness. Smell, however, doesn't have any known dimensions. This has made it difficult for researchers to pinpoint how many different scents or olfactory stimuli we can distinguish, but according to new research, humans could recognize 1 trillion different scents. Number 10. You are about 1 centimeter taller in the morning when you first get up than when you go to bed. This is because during the day, the soft cartilage between your bones gets squashed and compressed. During the day, the spine is not under any loading forces, and through osmotic pressure changes, we gain the fluid back in the disc, thereby growing taller. So if you want to be taller, make sure you hydrate well during the day and measure yourself first thing in the morning for the highest results. So what did you think? We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something from it. Please leave a comment below, subscribe, and hit the like button.